How to delete Google Form responses? Deleting Google Forms responses is quite easy and simple. Just you have to head into any browser on your PC and search for the Google Form on your web address bar. This will take you to the result page where you have to click on the first link of Google Forms. And here you need to click on Go to Forms. Once you get access to this home page of Google Forms, simply you need to search for any Google form where you get the response and where you want to delete it. As you can see that we don't have any responses here. Let's go back and select another one. If we don't have any responses, let me help out with the help of the responses getting. For that, let's click on the send icon and let's sort in the URL and copy the URL. And then let's click on the plus button and open the new tab and paste the link and let's enter. And here let's choose option here and click on submit. Once done, let's get back here and we have got responses here. Simply you can click on the responses icon here next to questions, and in order to delete these responses, let's click on the three dots which is next to link to sites, and after that here is the option of delete all responses on this drop down menu box at the bottom. Let's click on delete it, and if you are confirmed that you want to delete, or if you are sure that you want to delete all form responses, you can click on OK because this action cannot be undone. Once done, we have again the 0 responses. That means all the responses has been deleted. So in this way, you can easily delete the Google Form responses. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.